Hello, my name is Stephen Laurel, and guess what? My nose is bruised, really bad. The only thing was because I was playing Cut 4 on my computer, and I got really mad, and I threw. Yeah, I'm sorry, my nose is hurting. I threw the mouse, and it hit the wall, and it came back and hit me in my nostrils. I'm very lucky that it didn't hit my eyeball. But anyways, I'm gonna tell you my favorite guns on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and Call of Duty, Call of Duty Black Ops. My favorite gun on Call of Duty Black Ops is the 096. And the favorite gun on Modern Warfare 2 is the 096. I got you! It's supposed to be the intervention of Modern Warfare 2. Anyways, right now, I'm gonna call my girlfriend. Here we go. Her name is Melina. I think you'll really like her. Yeah, I know. Sorry. I can't show you my face. It's bruised. Oh, she's calling. Here we go.
Hello?
Hey, Melina.
Hey.
Can you come over tonight?
Yeah, my mom just said I could because she listened to all my phone calls.
Okay.
You hang up first.
Okay, bye-bye, everybody. I think she's coming over. We're having fun tonight.